So this number is important, 6/6. Everything is in this small box, screws, and most importantly, this is just warning what not to do. This might, we're not gonna need it, so this is the most important. This is what we need to assemble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every single one of them. It's described here. So, for example, first one. Once you can see the tools you need and the parts. This is what we are going to get out of it. And these are steps. Step 1, 2. And if you zoom in, you can see W5. W2. Z2. It looks a bit much, but it's not. So each piece is just 2 pages. First page describes everything what you need, the tools. It's gonna take half an hour roughly. Assembly instruction. Then you can move to the next one. So we have the small box that I showed you. This one we will install this at the very end. This just comes, all this comes with this, so we will leave this here. Requires gloves. We are going to focus on these. So you don't have to go in this order, but I will do. So 1.6, as you see, this is the first one. So this is basically this 1.6, 1.2, so /3/6, 4, and so on. So I'm gonna just grab this. There's all the other boxes. I will just leave it here. There's no reason to open all of them at the same time. Just one by one. Open them one by one. Work on it, and once it's done, I will come back for the next one, and so on and so forth. Now I checked the content of the box, and everything is straightforward. You cannot mix. These are all the same sizes. I checked every single. These are all identical. So I cannot mess this up. I cannot put this the wrong one. So the picture says, it just shows this part. It doesn't show this part. So this is what we need to put in, and it shows V5. So loads of different screws here. So this is V5, but it's not written on it. But obviously you can see, because it looks completely different than the others. And you can see as you put this in, this is the same size. So even without the picture, you can see these are too long for this hole. Even this is too thin. So that's the only what has left to use. That's how we know. And these are not securing anything, they're just adjusting. So while you're screwing it in, first I screw this in a little bit. Do not screw this, the first one, fully, because then you cannot put the second in, so it will become unmovable. So, and I never tightened them. I just screwed them in once before I finished this whole thing. That's when I tightened them, and there's supposed to be a sticker on it saying 1 and saying 2, just like on, so I would know which which part is which part, but the way how you know that this is where you need to work on, if you zoom in, you can see loads of holes here. On the left side there's only 2 holes here, and same, loads of holes here, but just only 2. So same thing, loads of holes here, just 2 here. Because on the other side there's just 4 holes. So that's how you know. I use something, so don't put it onto the floor directly, you will scratch it. You can see a line here and here, and when we are screwing it, this line, this needs to hit the middle. So this shouldn't be too low or too high, exactly at the middle.